Hi, this is Amna from ContentStudio, and in this video, we'll be exploring the planner, that is your content calendar, where you can manage, preview, and organize all your posts all in one place. So let's get started.
You'll find the planner inside the publisher. By default, it opens in the calendar view, showing you a monthly layout. On the top right, you can switch between monthly and weekly view depending on how detailed you want your schedule to look. The planner comes with multiple viewing options from calendar view, feed view, list view, compact list view, which is basically a compact version of the list view, and Instagram grid and TikTok grid. So basically you get to visualize what your grid will look like before publishing, and you can drag and drop draft posts to adjust the layout. For the list view, you have an option of managing the columns of what you want, what kind of details you want in your list. So you have a variety of options, and you can just click on the toggles to make them appear. So for example, if I click on here, it will automatically be refreshed. Other than that, similarly, that also goes for compact list view. In the calendar, you have on the top right, you have the option of settings. Now you have 4 setting options. First one, let's see, compact view. It's a bird's eye view of your calendar, basically giving you just a little preview of how many posts on what days are going out. The labels over here, the green label, the gray and yellow, these are corresponded to the schedule, published and draft posts that you have in your calendar. For the media thumbnails is basically an option to turn off the media previews on your post, so only your caption and the time is visible, or the content category or label that you have made. For holidays, it's basically a setting that we integrated where you can just add a country and it will show you all of the holidays in that country. You can save this for a specific workspace or all your workspaces. And when I turn this on, it will automatically show me labels of however many holidays there are in a certain week or month, and that goes on for an year as well. Then you have an option of notes. Now, planner notes are basically an option to make kind of reminder for you. Like in Google Calendar, you have a Google reminder. So here you can just add your title, your description, whatever you want to describe within this. A reminder date, basically a start date or end date, so it will be on your calendar for that. For visibility, you can, if you want this reminder or this note to be shown only to you, you can choose only me, and if you want this to be for your entire team, then you will choose everyone. Other than that, you have the option of color. Now color is basically for aesthetic purposes, so you can select whatever color you want. Now repeat is an option. For example, if you have a post that is recurring over a week or a month, every month or every 2 weeks, you can just set this note to repeat and it will automatically appear on your calendar, so nothing slips by you, so you don't need another additional thing. You can just collectively address everything on your planner. So yeah, that's about it. And if you don't want your calendar to look very cluttered, you can just click on the toggle of notes and they will disappear or appear as per your preference. The little globe that you see on your calendar is the time zone according to which the calendar has been set and the times have been set. Then on the left side, you see an option of filters. Now you can filter your post by status. Who are they assigned to? Who are they created by? The content type, labels, campaigns, and categories. Other than that, you have an option to filter them or sort them by platforms, so basically accounts. So if I just select a single account or multiple accounts, it will only show me what has been posted or scheduled or put in drafts for those specific accounts. So for example, if I just apply this filter, okay, the filter has been set, and if I change to a monthly view, so it's only showing me the post that has been either scheduled, posted, or put in drafts for that specific account, nothing else. And if you want to search, if you know a caption, a word in your caption, and if you want to search that post, for example, you made a post for Labor's Day, so you can just put in Labor's Day, and you know that your caption has that keyword into it, so you can search by that. And that's about it. That is your content calendar, also known as planner, in ContentStudio. So you can easily plan out your month, week, whatever works best for you, and it is customizable to its peak, so it's easier for you to manage. You can also drag and drop these posts. For example, if there's a post, let me show you a post that is in the draft, so I can just drag and drop to another day, and it's easier. Similarly, it goes for planner notes as well. So if I make a planner note, so if I add this note and I don't want it to be on the specific date, I can just pick it up and drag and drop it to somewhere else. So that's it.
So that's the planner for you. The planner gives you both a bird's eye view of all of the posts within a month and a detailed breakdown of all of these posts. So basically, whatever you're planning, whether it's a campaign or just organizing your Instagram grid or organizing your social media accounts, the planner gives you all of the functionalities to keep your workflow organized and simplified. So try ContentStudio today and get a 14 days free trial.